Hello, in this video I'm sharing with you step-by-step guide how to buy USDT on Binance P2P using mobile money. These days buying USDT using mobile money is somehow challenging because it's not like before where you used to send money to the seller. This time around these guys have to withdraw money directly from your mobile money. So keep this video to the end because I'm going to share with you how you can do it safely and avoid scammers. Now as we get started, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now let's get started. Now log in your Binance account, and on this page make sure that you press right there on add funds. Make sure you press on add funds. Now Binance will bring you to this page. Make sure that you press on P2P trading app. Now after reaching this page, make sure that it's in buy, not sell. Make sure you put it in buy because you are buying. Now there are many merchants on Binance you can buy USDT from, but how to choose the right one? Because every merchant on Binance has their own payment methods and the USDT limit they can sell to you. Now to make it easier, make sure that you press on amount. Make sure you press up there on amount and it will bring you this. Make sure that you enter the amount of Ugandan shillings you want to use to buy USDT. So I'm going to buy USDT for 30k. So enter that after press on confirm. Now make sure that you press on payment next. And then make sure that you choose that payment method you would like to use to buy USDT. So if you want to use M10 mobile money or Airtel, Cheaper Cash, Momo, any, make sure that you choose that payment method and then press on confirm. After doing that, Binance will automatically bring you those merchants that allow your payment method, even the limit of the USDT you want to buy. So you don't need to scroll from one vendor to another looking for that one that allows your payment method and the limit. Now after, choose the one on top and press on buy. Now here is my order. This is the amount of Ugandan shillings I want to use to buy USDT, and right here is the amount of USDT I'm going to receive. After doing all that, make sure that you press right here on place order. Make sure that you press on place order. Now Binance is going to bring you to this page. Make sure that you press on chat immediately after reaching this page. Now you can take a look. This person is saying that he only does withdraw. You don't send money, he does withdraw. M10 you send the number for initiations, and Airtel you send the number and then the secret code. So you have to do that. But now before, when you press on view payment details, you used to find a number here. Nowadays they put these short digits whereby there is no phone number where you can send the money. So they just withdraw from your mobile money or Airtel money. Now go back on chat. If you are using M10, send that person the number he initiate and then you put your PIN code. If you are using Airtel, make sure that you send him the number initiate and then send him the secret code. Make sure that you do it quickly for Airtel because those secret code do expire. Now after sending the number, I'm waiting for him to initiate, then I put in my mobile money PIN code. But make sure you don't send anyone your PIN code. Even if they ask for it, don't give your PIN code to anyone. You have to stay safe. Now I'm waiting for him to initiate, then I put in my PIN code so that we finish this transaction. Now the transaction is done. Now after doing that, go back to Binance. Go back immediately to Binance and then press on view payment details. Make sure that you press on view payment details right there. After pressing there, make sure that you press on transfer, notify the seller. Now these days you have to upload a screenshot of the payment proof right there. So go back to the message you received after sending the money or withdrawing. Make sure that you take a screenshot and then upload it. Make sure you take a screenshot immediately. Then go back to Binance and upload that screenshot. After uploading the screenshot, make sure that you turn on this. Make sure that you press right there to turn on that, and after turning on, make sure that you press on transfer, notify the seller. Now I'm waiting for the seller to release my crypto. I'm done making a payment. I'm waiting for him to release my crypto. And right here, he has released my crypto. That's how you can buy USDT on Binance P2P. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. See